In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a discount on Hostinger. If you're planning to bring your ideas online and want to build a website without spending too much, this video will walk you through every step you need to save money while getting started. Hostinger is known for its affordability and performance. It offers fast loading speeds, reliable uptime, and a clean control panel that's easy for beginners. But what many people don't realize is that Hostinger often runs special deals and coupons that can make their already low prices even better. So let's go step by step and see how you can grab one of those discounts. First, open your web browser and go to hostinger.com. You can type Hostinger in the search bar or simply go directly to the site. Once you land on the homepage, you'll notice how neatly organized it is. The interface makes it easy to find what you're looking for, whether it's web hosting, domain registration, or email setup. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a login button. Click it. If you already have a Hostinger account, sign in using your email and password. If you're new, click on sign up and create an account. You can register using your email address, Google account, or even Facebook, whichever is easiest for you. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the Hostinger control panel, often called H panel. This is your dashboard, where you manage your websites, domains, and hosting tools. Spend a minute getting familiar with it, but we're here for the discount, so let's move on. Next, look for the option labeled Explore Plans or Hosting Plans. Click it to see the range of hosting options available. You'll find shared hosting, WordPress hosting, cloud hosting, and VPS. Take a moment to compare what each plan offers. If you're just starting out with a simple website or blog, the premium shared hosting plan is a great option. It's affordable and comes with plenty of storage, free SSL, and even a free domain for the first year. Once you've picked your plan, click on Select or Add to Cart to move to the checkout page. Here's where the fun part begins. Applying your discount. On the checkout page, you'll see a box labeled coupon code or promo code. In that box, type BuildSite15 or the latest available code if it changes in the future. After typing it in, click Apply, and you'll see the price drop instantly. The discount will appear right there in your total, giving you a clear view of how much you're saving. You can often save up to 15% or more, depending on Hostinger's current offers. Sometimes they even combine discounts with their seasonal sales, so it's worth checking around holidays or during big events like Black Friday or Cyber Monday. Before completing your payment, double check your order details. Make sure your plan, billing cycle, and discount are correct. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and finalize your purchase. And just like that, you've locked in your Hostinger discount and are ready to start building your website. If you want to stay updated on future discounts, consider subscribing to Hostinger's newsletter or checking their deals page regularly. They often send out exclusive promo codes to subscribers before they go public. That's all it takes to save money on Hostinger. A few quick steps and you're ready to launch your website without breaking your budget. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and drop a comment below if you found another active coupon worth sharing. Happy hosting and good luck building your website.